What's going on, everybody? It's JT from Seven Figures Marketing, back with another video, man. Today's video, I want to give y'all an update on this Clickbank campaign I've been running. As you can see, I ended up making about $320 yesterday, and today is a new day. It's 11 in the morning. I haven't made no sales today, but yeah, man. Let's go over to my ads manager so y'all can see how much I spent. As you can see right here, yesterday, scroll over to this Clickbank campaign. I spent 82 and made 320. So I think that's around the like a 4x ROI in this campaign yesterday, which is pretty good. Like I said, no sales today. The day before that, 37. Before that, 183, 59, 170. But yeah, yesterday, man, I was just out enjoying myself, just having fun. I didn't really do too much work at all. I ended up still making over $300, which is pretty good. I set this campaign up and I was just running. And I just wanted to kind of give y'all some tips on how I was able to do this stuff, man, because people always ask me and thinking it's some type of secret. And, it's really just come down to just testing campaigns. Like, literally, I've probably been testing campaigns since May. Since early May, I've been running campaigns almost every single day. So it's no surprise as to why I'm finally getting one to take off. I've been testing literally every single day. Like, the longest I probably went without running traffic was probably 3 days tops. Probably because I was setting up some stuff or just doing some more spying or whatever the case may be. Because a lot of people always wondering why they're not making sales, why they're not making money, and this, and that. It's just because, like I said, you're not testing every day. How you gonna run one ad and then think the stuff don't work? It's people that literally run campaigns for months at a time and not even get results. And then you'll look up a couple months later, now they got a campaign, they're making $1,000 a day from them. It just comes down to just testing consistently, things like that. And another thing too, for Facebook ads, if you're getting like high, cost per clicks, link clicks, or whatever, say you're paying $1 per link click, that means either your ad is off or the targeting is wrong, and or really it could be both. So it's really just playing around with that and just getting some more experience and seeing what's working. Like, if you're getting high clicks on Facebook, you ain't doing no type of spying, because if you're doing spying on successful campaigns, people that's running campaigns for weeks, things like that, it's already working. So if you mimicking that, not copying it, but modeling winning campaigns, your cost per click is not going to be so high. Like, all my campaigns is really, you can see, y'all know I'm not BSing. Look at this, 5 cents per link click, and it's been like that since I've been running this campaign, literally from day one. So I actually know what I'm talking about. I don't run campaigns and spend over probably 20 cents per link click. Like, that's just overkill for me. Like I said, if you're getting high clicks on Facebook, that means your ad and your targeting might be off. You need to change that up and test something new. But if you're getting clicks to your landing page, the cheapest click, you're getting clicks to your landing page, but none to the offer, it's something on your landing page that's throwing them off. Maybe something you said in the ad copy, when they get to the landing page, it's something totally different, or just the vibe of the landing page. It could be the page speed low too slow, so before they even get to look at your content, they'd already X'd off because the thing is not loading fast enough. So it could just be a number of things, man. But like I said, if you're getting clicks, cheap clicks on Facebook, getting them to the landing page but none to the offer is probably one of those 3 reasons. If you're getting cheap clicks on Facebook, getting them to the landing page, and then they actually clicking on the offer, but they just not converting, it could be the offer is just bad and you just test another one. It's a part of the game. Or you're just not sending enough traffic because, primarily I used to run, I still do run CPA offers, but regular CPL offers that pay $1, $1, $2, $3, whatever the case may be, you could send 10 to 30 clicks and know if the offer converted or not. Now, with Clickbank offers, with sale offers in general, you might take hundreds of, before I got my first sale in this campaign I'm running, I probably sent about 500 clicks before I got one sale. A lot of people would have plugged that campaign or killed the campaign after the 30th click or the 50th or the 100th one. I let it go to 500 because I knew the offer was going to end up converting because I was getting a lot of clicks and a lot of people to the order form. So I just let it run a little bit longer because this was the first sale, the first day I actually made money on this campaign. These 3 days, I didn't make a single sale and I probably spent $90. People would have quit after the first day, 9 times out of 10. So, it's just all about just being patient, trusting the process, testing campaigns every day. The people that's winning with Clickbank, with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing in general, they not testing one campaign and then just giving up. They running campaigns all day, every day, literally. And the great thing is, once these campaigns start converting, they just pretty much on autopilot. You can see, I've been making money on Clickbank now pretty much every single day, and it's gonna continue that because I'm running traffic every single day. Like, I I always got a campaign up and running, whether it's for a Clickbank offer, a CPA offer, my own course, anything. Like I'm always running traffic, so it's no reason for me to ever like really just fall off with my stuff because I'm doing this stuff every single day. I'm actually in the field testing campaigns and just doing my thing. But you know, if you're interested in learning how to do this stuff exactly step by step, I definitely recommend you go over to the first link in the description or in the comment section down below and check out my elite course. You can see exactly what's inside, what I offer, my results, student results, frequently asked questions, and of course, how you can find me on social media, things like that. And let me show you all the members area for those of you that never seen it. Pretty much what it looks like. You can look at all the tabs right here, everything that's inside, offer selection, the basics, campaign creations, ad creation, testing. Y'all can see it. I'm just open this. Facebook ads, FAQ, pixels, and go over audiences, landing pages, tracking, email marketing, Clickbank. Just added that module. Bonuses, done for you campaigns, and of course a recap. Everything you just learned. But that's pretty much that, man. I just want to give y'all some tips on how I was able to do this because people keep asking me all day, every day, what am I doing? What type of secrets? What offer? All that stuff. None of that stuff matter, man. It just comes down to testing campaigns because even if I gave y'all my exact offer and landing page that I'm running, it might not work out for you. You might have success with this offer and I might not have success with it. So, just ultimately come down to testing, seeing what's working for you and scaling that stuff up, man. But that's pretty much all I got for this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.